Welcome to a series of videos made from the 8mm movies of Clint Jones Jr., which he filmed in the early to mid-1960s. This short video puts together his freight train footage of the Milwaukee Road in Upper Michigan. We know the line now as the Escanaba and Lake Superior, but prior to 1980 it was the Milwaukee Road. Initial narration will be supplied by Bob Anderson, a friend of Clint's who accompanied him on some of his outings.
Here's the Milwaukee Road, Ontonagon to Channing Freight, eastbound, compass south, passing the Mass Michigan Depot with Fairbanks Morse units 418 and 419. This and the following scenes were probably taken in the 1964 to 66 period because EMD, F, and GT units replaced the FMs by 1967. Here we're in the Channing yard showing the engine house, either later fall or early spring with no leaves on the trees. Here we have some scenes from the locomotive cab of the eastbound Channing to Crivets Freight. The Fairbanks Morse units are really smoking, cleaning out the manifolds at the start of the run. Next, the power cuts off the train and backs into the Groveland Mine spur. This explains why a caboose was on each end of the train to enable backup moves at various locations. There is construction activity at the mine where the two gondolas of material will be spotted for unloading. This appears to be the curve just north of Iron Mountain near Twin Falls. The last scene is from the overpass of the Chicago Northwestern line to Iron River, showing the engine house in the middle of the Y and the north end of the Antoine yard. The CNW commercial freight appears to be made up to head east to Powers.
We finish with a northbound passing the Sagola Depot. 4 Fairbanks Morse H1644s are providing power. Here is a link to the companion video of Clint's Upper Michigan movies. And please subscribe so you know of more releases. Thank you. Bye for now.